Serve up a piping hot dish with a Mexican flair. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a creamy Mexican chicken casserole easily. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, add the cream of chicken soup, sour cream, green chilies, and milk. Stir to combine. Add in the shredded chicken breasts, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, paprika, ground cumin, salt, and ground black pepper to taste. Add in the shredded cheddar cheese, then fold the ingredients together until evenly incorporated. Now transfer it to a greased baking casserole and spread evenly. Top it with tomato slices, crushed corn chips, and shredded cheddar cheese before covering with an aluminum foil. Bake for 40 minutes. Afterwards, remove the aluminum foil and continue baking for 10 minutes until golden. Then, set it aside to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Garnish with chopped cilantro, then serve.